bioplastics, a sustainable alternative to traditional plastic. Well, Krishnansh, let me start with a question. Do you know what happens to a plastic bag after I throw it away?
Let me think. No, I give up.
Most plastics are made from the polymerized form of carbon and take hundreds of years to decompose, polluting land, water, and even disturbing food chains. Do you know that the first synthetic plastic was Bakelite, invented in 1907 by Leo Baekeland? Even the first plastic invented has not yet decomposed. This leads to piles and mountains of landfills and garbage.
So this is also the plastic bag is also a reason for numerous deaths of cows, the painful death, it harms the aquatic life, and it is congested and the environment is day by day degrading, and this is a great alternative for synthetic plastic.
In rural and village areas, you might have seen that when the rainwater collects and the plastic bags get mixed with it, it forms the sewage and disgusting water. The mosquitoes breed in it and so many diseases are spread, which claims many lives.
That's where bioplastic come in. They made from all natural ingredients and are biodegradable, meaning they break down completely over time. They made from cornstarch, potato starch, and sugarcane. For our project, we had many failed attempts, broken bits, wrong measurements, and even wrong ingredients. We kept on changing and finally got a product which can be used as an alternative packaging material.
Like when you order something from Myntra, Amazon, or any other online website, the packaging comes in like small plastic thing. So this is a great alternative for replacing that.
It reduces pollution and does not rely on harmful fossil fuels. They are safer for the environment, people, and for the animals.
And cows won't get dead by this.
And we can save many lives.
Right? And also for the production of plastics, the more energy is utilized, and for this, minimum energy is utilized.
And also this, it has good shelf life and also it's heat resistant. Like if you put it in 100 degrees, it would not burn. It would stay as it is.
It has tough heat resistance, and also it decreases our carbon footprint. It is a great step towards a cleaner and greener future for all. So, in starting, when we were making our project, we did not have the right knowledge, and so we were experimenting with different things like agar-agar, cornstarch, and potato starch. But finally, we made our last project with potato starch, and in the future, we are expecting to make it as better as we can.
We used ingredients like potato starch, vinegar, glycerine, and water. These are simple ingredients which are found in the kitchen and can turn into a great experiment.
And we added coffee for odor and the color.
These are the herbal holy colors.
colors which
You can
can be
add any
added.
color for the beautifying the appearance of the